Hey guys, Adam again. This is like 4 in the morning, and I want to say I hope you enjoy or like the new banner and my profile picture. If you don't know what I'm talking about these. There we go. I'm talking about these. Adam, like and subscribe. As you can see, there's my latest video.
Hey guys, it's Adam
5
here.
likes that.
Just got a shower.
And
So
yeah.
yeah, back to you guys with another inking video.
I really like this. If you are kind of like want to design your own banner too, I think I'm going to do a tutorial video and to that this video. But we will see if we could be able to do. Basically, all you need is a laptop and a kind of like application called Paint. That's kind of like not kind of, but a really old application, Paint. You only need that, and I think you will need a wallpaper if you want to design your banner or your profile picture. But I think the banner is kind of like more sophisticated to make rather than this, because the profile picture is kind of like very easy because you have no restricted size of what the picture size have to be, but with the banner you have to have a size of 2048 by 1152. Now keep it in mind that in Paint you can resize the picture and then you can kind of like putting text box in it, and that's kind of like what I do. So I just write vertically, I mean horizontal 2048 and vertically 1152. And after that I kind of like put a text box in the middle. I actually put a couple text box. First one with the Adam and the second one is the part with like and subscribe. But basically I kind of like just copy paste the background and just kind of like resize it and then putting some text to it, just like the profile picture. But the profile picture is just kind of like a one-shot thing, rather than I have to do a lot of tests with the banner, like do I like it or not. But in the final conclusion, I really like this one. I don't really like the first one because I think it's too simple, so I decided to change it again. And yeah, I love the awesome techno blue color, so I decided to go with a techno blue color, kind of like logo or profile picture. So you can see I was downloading a wallpaper of a blue glowing ring with black background, and they just kind of like put text box inside the ring, and then kind of like the size of the letter is kind of like 36 for, I think it's 36 and 48 or 48. But for the X and Adam part, this one I use kind of like 72 for the X and Adam part, kind of like 48 or 36. I think it's 48 for the like and subscribe part. So that's just basically what I'm been doing yesterday. I'm kind of like busy redesigning my banner and profile picture because I'm kind of like bored with the koala, the YouTube banner. That's kind of sucks. So I decided we're going to hit 100 subscribers soon, 77, and so I decided to redesign my stuff just to make my channel a little bit professional at the at appearance, so people kind of like attracted to watching my videos. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, if you do enjoy this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Bye guys.